1384. Hypotenuse how much? 1384. Hypotenuse how much? For example, if the options are like this: 85, 95, 95, 75, 75, and for example 55, for example 55, for example 55, 85, 95, 75 and 55, very logically by using last two digits also you can find the answer. By using last two digits logic you can find the answer. 13 square plus 18 4 square. 13 square last two digits is 169, 69. 84 is 16 less than 100. 16 square is 256. 16 square is 256. So here it is 25. All the options last two digits are 25. So here also you can use last two digits logic. Last two digits logic. See here, sir. 9 square it is 81. 40 square 1600. Answer on squaring. Last two digits should be 81. Answer on square. 49 square. 49 is 1 less than 50. 1 square 0 1. Not possible. 39 square. 50 minus 11 square. 121. Not possible. 36 square. 14 square. Not possible. 13 square. It is not possible. Are you all with me? Last two digits. What if that case fails? What if that case fails? I hope the idea it is clear. 13 square plus 84 square. All the cases last two digits are 25. All the cases, wantonly I gave all the cases as last two digits. 84 square plus positive. How can it be 75 and 55? To 84 I am adding a positive value. How can it be 75 and 55? These two cases I eliminated. 13 square plus 84 square. 13 square plus 84 square. Equivalent to, for example, I am stuck between 85 and 95. 85 square if I do, what I can do is I can use a digital sum also to cross check. In case if I don't want to do calculation, 1 plus 3 4, 4 square 16 which is 7, 8 plus 4 12, 12 it is a 3, 3 square 9, 8 plus 5 13, 1 plus 3 4, 4 square 16 7, 7 equivalent to 7. You don't need to do any calculation. You don't need to do any calculation. 1384, 13 and 84. Either use unit digit logic or use last two digits logic and keep on eliminating the answer option. See, remember your idea is to minimize the time. Your idea is to minimize the time.